This phone feels like it came from 2030, and somehow I'm holding it today. This isn't just a phone. It's a mobile workstation, a portable studio, a private cinema. On September 4th, Huawei is launching its new triple-screen AI phone, the Mate XTs, and it's set to shatter our definition of a smartphone. The way its 3 screens and AI work together, no other phone can touch it. And I'm shocked by the ambition. This isn't another update. It's a generational leap. It's bold, ambitious, maybe a little crazy. And I think I love it. Let's be honest. We've been stuck with flat, boring rectangles for over a decade. While Apple's iPhone is stuck in rectangle mode, Huawei is unfolding the future. Peak innovation became a slightly faster rectangle with a slightly sharper camera. We were promised one device to do it all, but we're still juggling gadgets. We pull out laptops for any real work. Because even the biggest phone feels cramped. Editing a doc, checking an email, and watching a chat. Nightmare. Tap, tap, tap. Train of thought gone. We called it multitasking, but it was always a compromise. Like conducting an orchestra in a broom closet. We just accepted it. What was the alternative? Carry a phone, a tablet, and a laptop? Not the future we were promised. But what if one device could transform, giving you the screen you need, right when you need it? What if its software was smart enough to know your next move? This is the promise of the Huawei Mate XTs. Its rumored tri-fold design and deep AI integration are a direct assault on compromise. The future is almost here, and it looks nothing like I expected. The moment you see the Huawei Mate XTs, you know it's different. This thing feels substantial. Based on its predecessor, it weighs around 298 grams. You feel that weight, but it's dense and premium. It speaks to the engineering packed inside. When it's closed, a beautiful 6.4-inch outer display. It's a slightly thick but otherwise normal high-end phone. It's familiar. But here's where it gets wild. Unfold it once. The device opens into a 7.9-inch dual-screen mode. Like a digital book. The hinge is smooth, controlled. The crease? Reports say this is the closest anyone has come to a seamless foldable. You might feel a slight ripple, but it melts away in daily use. But this is a tri-fold. And then, boom, a third fold. Suddenly, you're holding a breathtaking 10.2-inch tablet, from pocket phone to workstation in seconds. The transformation is theatrical. Fully unfolded, it's a 10.2-inch screen that's only about 5.3mm thin. Surreal. Almost impossible. The build quality looks exceptional. The frame is cool to the touch and it's confirmed in multiple finishes, including dark black, white, and hibiscus purple. This device commands attention. It's not a prototype, it's a second-generation product. Refined and robust. This isn't just about folding, it's about a new category of hardware, an AI-powered smartphone that adapts to your life. The heart of the experience is its display. A single continuous 10.2-inch LTPO OLED panel that folds in 2 places. It's rumored to have a sharp 2232 x 3184 resolution and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. So how does this Huawei tri-fold stack up in a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold comparison? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a 7.6-inch inner screen. The Mate XTs is in a different league entirely. This isn't just a bigger phone, it's a proper tablet that fits in your pocket. This sheer screen real estate changes everything. On the Mate XTs, you can run 3 full-sized apps side by side. Imagine this: your email on the left, a browser in the center, a document on the right. Drag and drop text, images and files between them. It's not multitasking, it's a command center. And it has confirmed M-Pencil support. Using a stylus on this massive canvas is a game changer. During a video call, you could have the call on one screen, a presentation on the second, and a notes page on the third. Scribble, follow up with Sarah on Q3 budget, and the AI can create a reminder, link her contact, and attach a screenshot. Imagine being in a cafe, unfolding this, and literally running a boardroom from your table, or sketching professional-grade art on the train ride home. That's what this triple-screen AI-powered smartphone makes possible. Revolutionary hardware, is nothing without the brains to back it up. This is where the AI phone title really comes from. It's rumored to be powered by Huawei's new flagship chip, the Kirin 9020, with a Maliu 910 GPU. But it's the AI that matters. Leaks suggest the Kirin 9020 runs dedicated AI tasks up to 40% faster than competitors like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. That's the secret sauce. In China, this is run by HarmonyOS 5.1, an OS built for a multi-screen world. The AI learns your habits. Say you're researching a trip. You open a map and a hotel site. The AI might proactively open a third screen with a currency converter. It's a workspace that builds itself around you. This intelligence extends across devices. Huawei's Super Device feature lets you connect with other Huawei gear with absurd ease. Start work on the phone, walk to your Huawei laptop and just drag the session over. No interruptions. It's an ecosystem that feels genuinely seamless. The AI also supercharges the camera, making this complex hardware feel simple. An ambitious device has to nail the fundamentals. The camera is a flagship system. It's headlined by a 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture, tech borrowed from dedicated cameras. It physically adjusts to let in more light for great low-light shots. It's joined by a periscope telephoto for impressive zoom and a capable ultra-wide. Powering this beast is a massive 5,600 mAh battery. A 10.2-inch 90Hz screen is thirsty, so this was non-negotiable. It supports 66W wired charging, and its predecessor had 50W wireless. Now for the elephant in the room. The catch. Due to ongoing trade restrictions, Huawei phones lack Google mobile services. No Play Store, no native Gmail or Google Maps. For many in the West, that's a deal breaker. Huawei's app gallery has grown, and there are workarounds, but that seamless Google integration is gone. And then there's the price. Rumors put it around 20,000 CNY. That's roughly $2,700 to $2,800 USD. The European price is unconfirmed, but will be in the stratosphere. This is not a phone for the masses, it's a statement. So what's the verdict on the Huawei Mate XTs? It is, without a doubt, the most ambitious mobile device in years. A true feat of engineering. The Huawei Mate XT's trifold design is revolutionary. The 10.2-inch display is a dream for productivity. The AI-infused OS promises to make it all cohesive. I'm genuinely shocked by what it promises. But it's not for everyone. This is for the ultimate productivity pro, the executive who needs a command center. For the digital artist who wants a portable canvas. It's for the tech enthusiast willing to step outside the Apple-Google duopoly and pay dearly for it. If you're deep in the Google ecosystem, this isn't for you. If a phone that costs thousands makes you flinch, this isn't for you. But if you've been searching for one device to rule them all, if you've felt the pain of mobile compromise, and if you want to hold the future of personal computing in your hands, then the Huawei Mate XTs is more than just a phone. It's a paradigm shift. For years we settled for rectangles and compromises. The Mate XTs dares to say, one device really can do it all. So, future or flop? Drop your verdict in the comments. And if you want the next big tech shocker before anyone else, hit subscribe right now. Thanks for watching.